The 1AR-FE is a 2.7-liter engine and is found in Toyota models like the Highlander, Sienna, Venza, and RX 270. Before you buy a car with this engine, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with its specification and potential issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Another 2.7-liter inline four-cylinder engine. The Toyota 1AR-FE engine debuted in 2008 and is still in production today. In contrast to the other 2.7-liter option, the 1AR uses a standard DOHC engine and has an aluminum engine block and cylinder head. Additionally, it has been equipped with Toyota's dual VVTi system since the start of its production. Plus, it has an intake manifold with variable geometry to optimize airflow based on engine RPM. Depending on the vehicle it is in, the 1AR-FE engine produces between 182 and 187 horsepower at a compression ratio of 10:1. Additionally, the output of torque ranges from 182 to 186 horsepower. Specifications. I will leave the engine specs information on the screen, so you can pause the video and find a useful information for you. One AR-FE engine issues. Given that the engine was built well, there aren't any significant flaws or defects with the 1AR-FE. But there are three major issues. The first one is water pump. It's leaking and this component needs to be replaced on a regular basis. Furthermore, when the engine is cold, VVTi system knocking could happen. This is a system quirk, but if it irritates you, you can attempt to fix it with VVTi repair. A disposable motor is a third problem. The engine will have to be completely replaced if the cylinder block is skewed. In general, the 1AR engine is quite good and dependable. All it requires is routine maintenance and the use of premium engine oil and gasoline. You should also perform more frequent engine oil changes. In this situation, 1AR-FE longevity may be greater than 180,000 miles. 1AR engine tuning. There are not many 1AR-FE performance parts available because these engines are not frequently used to build high-revving naturally aspirated vehicles. Investing in a 2AR-FE turbo kit is a smart move if you've made the decision to definitely increase the power of your 1AR engine. With a Garrett T3 or T4e turbocharger, you can get up to 320 HP at a maximum boost pressure of 0.7 bar. A 2.5 inches performance exhaust system will add about 10 HP to your car. You could attempt to construct a unique turbo kit with a sizable turbocharger and forged internals. This might enable you to achieve 500 plus horsepower, but for the money required, you could just purchase a faster vehicle.